This section reviews disassembling the Sundae side of the K3 machine. Cleaning the machine every 14 days is very important. The machine will tell you when to clean. For step-by-step instructions, please read the Operating Manual, Section 6. Disassembling the mix tank agitator. Disassembling the Sundae pressure pipe and the mix pump. Disconnect and remove the connection tube first and then the pressure pipe. Remove the mix pump. Disassemble mix pump and pressure pipe. The patented, very simple and efficient Carpigiani mixed gear pumps guarantee consistent overrun and constant yields. Disassembling the Sundae dispensing door. With the machine in stop mode, remove the spigot and disassemble it. Disassembling of the Sundae beater. Be careful not to hit the cylinder walls with the shaft of the beater. Check the beater seal. Rotate and pull to remove the blade.